Hey everyone. So, in this video, I'll show you how to connect a Facebook lead form with Zapier. This is the full guide for 2025. And yeah, it's perfect if you want to automatically send new Facebook leads to your email, CRM, Google Sheets, or any other app without doing anything manually. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account that manages the lead form and also logged into your Zapier account. You'll also need admin access to the Facebook page connected to the form. Otherwise, Zapier won't be able to see it. All right, now head over to Zapier and click on Create Zap. This is where we build the automation. For the trigger app, search for Facebook lead ads and select it. Next, choose the trigger event called New Lead. This tells Zapier to run the automation every time someone submits your Facebook lead form. Now connect your Facebook account to Zapier, log in securely, and allow the required permissions. Once connected, select the correct Facebook page and the lead form you want to use. Zapier will now ask for a test lead. If your form already has data, Zapier will pull it automatically. If not, submit a test lead from Facebook to continue. Once the trigger is working, choose what happens next. You can send the lead to Google Sheets, email, a CRM, or any other app Zapier supports. Just pick the tool that fits your workflow. Now map the Facebook lead fields, things like name, email address, phone number. Just match them with the correct fields in your destination app. Take a moment here because clean mapping means clean data. Finally, test the action. If everything looks good, turn the Zap on. From now on, every new Facebook lead will be sent automatically. No extra work. And yeah, that's how you connect a Facebook lead form with Zapier in 2025. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.